GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Test. So in this video we are going to discuss what is the basic info regarding GMAT and what are the sections, what is the timings and what are the pattern of questions in GMAT, and next what are the key points to be noted regarding the exam, and what are the types of questions you will find in your math session, and what you will find in verbal session, and what you will be find in integrated reasoning session, and next what actually B schools look from the students. Now coming to the first one, GMAT basic info. Now in the basic info regarding GMAT was GMAT is conducted by GMAC. GMAC is nothing but Graduate Management Admission Council. So in order to register for your GMAT test, you have to go to www.mba.com. The fee for registration is $250. If you want to reschedule the exam within 7 days before the test date, it costs you $60. Suppose if you want to cancel the test, you have to pay $80 and it have to happen before 7 days. If it is if you are planning to cancel the test before within 7 days, you don't get any amount back. $250 will be wasted. Next, this GMAT exam was conducted over 114 countries. So in a year you can take up to 5 times, and in your lifetime you can take for 8 times. That is the maximum limit, and the passport is the valid ID proof for your exam. Now coming to the sections, timings and patterns in GMAT exam. So GMAT will totally consisting of 4 sections. So first it is AWA, Analytic Writing Ability session, next integrated reasoning session, next math session, and it is verbal session. So analytical writing ability session, you have to write one essay. It will be the argument essay. So it will be for 30 minutes and you will have a scale from 0 to 6. Next session is the integrated reasoning session. You will be having 12 questions and 30 minutes is the time allotted for IR session. Next math session. In math session you will be having 31 questions. You have to answer in 62 minutes. Next it is a verbal session. In verbal session you will be having 36 questions. You have to answer in 65 minutes. Order of the exam. A student has the option to select the section among the 3 patterns what as per his preference. So first option is first he can go for AWA session, then he can choose it will be IR and then math and then it is verbal. Or the second way it is he can choose this way, it is verbal first, math second, IR third and AWA as fourth. Or he can choose math first, verbal second, IR as third section and AWA as the fourth session. So these are the 3 options available for a student while he was taking the test, and there is an optional break of 8 minutes between you have an optional break of 8 minutes. You can take it for 2 times. It is your choice. If you want you can take the break, otherwise you can skip the break and proceed. Now what is the total duration? AWA session, as I told you, one argument session you have to write for 30 minutes. IR session, it consists of 12 questions, you have to write it for 30 minutes, and after that you will have a break. It is an optional break of 8 minutes. Then math session, 31 questions, it will be for 62 minutes. Then one more break, optional, it will be for 8 minutes, and then it will be a verbal session, 36 questions for 65 minutes. Order, you can choose the order whatever it is flexible for you. So the total time duration of your complete test will be around 3 hours 23 minutes including the breaks.